Hi, Joshy.
Hey, Joshy. Did I hit you?
No, I hit a tree.
Actually, that hit you, Sam. 1, 2,
Oh.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
God. Whoa!
Not going well at all.
No. Oh!
Wait, just take it. Defensive. I'm walking through this. Yeah.
John's out of ammo! Oh. It's a phone, it's all good.
Don't waste ammo. Conserve ammo. Yeah.
Gotta reload. No? Check out that bullet in the tree.
I'm running out of ammo. Yeah, I'll get Sam.
Yeah, pick it up. Oh! Down!
1,
Help!
2, 3, 4.
Joshy, you're down!
Pick off.
Joshy's down! Dead! Oh, God! I'm scared! Oh, God! Yeah, I'm down. I'm off too! Ryan, I'm out of ammo! Oh! I'm dead. Just Ryan now. Here, take the ammo.
There's my whole barrel.
Ryan!
Oh!
Jackie, you're down.
That hit me?
Yeah.
You totally got hit in the chest, man. You're dead anyways.
You're down.
Yeah,
You got hit in the chest.
No.